Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix this issue if you forgotten your passcode, and if you would like to reset your device in order that you can use your phone. As you can see here, I can't get into this phone, and we have to try again in 7 seconds. I am going to show you how to reset this, but first let me explain. At first you need to hold the volume down, the button right here and the power button together. When the phone restarting, you need to shift your hand up to the volume up and boot into recovery mode and perform a factory reset for your device. So let me go ahead and show you how to do so. Bear in mind that you will need to hold this button right here, which is the bixby button, along with the volume down. On restarting your device, then you switch your finger to the volume up. I'm going to demonstrate now. So you want to hold it like this. Don't mind the screenshot, just keep holding it. Hold your device like this, then shift your fingers to the volume up. Keep holding the buttons or you won't get this correctly, so keep holding the buttons. So here we are in the recovery mode here, and as you can see now, if we so desire, we can perform a factory data reset and reset our device. And when we reset our device, we would be able to start all over again. We would be able to use our device successfully. So this is how you do it. I hope that this video was helpful. Bear in mind that you need to use the 3 buttons in combination together to get this done. So I hope that you're successful doing this. If not, you can try the steps all over again. With the 3 buttons, it's a combination: the volume down, the bixby button and the power button. Then you shift your fingers to the volume down, the bixby button and the power button, like I demonstrated a while ago. So I hope that this video was helpful, guys, and subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment down below, share this video, and also like this video if this one was helpful. I am Lens, and subscribe to my channel. I am out. See you.